lights on. Okay, so welcome back, Vlogmas Day 6. Today, the day has kind of gotten away from me. It's already 3 o'clock. It's just Denver and I at the house, and I also have Anaya's little dog Cam here. She went on a vacation, so I'm watching her dog for like 2 weeks. And so right now I'm just cleaning up the house. I need to do pictures for stuff that I need to post on Poshmark because I have a lot of shoes that have to go. I'm like doing literally a full house clean sweep. So right now if I pan around my house, it's not the neatest, and it's kind of causing me a little bit of unsettled feelings. So I'm just trying to get that together. I do have some laundry that I have to put away, but before I put the laundry away, I want to go through my drawers to see what I'm going to get rid of, just give it to Shayna. Just stuff that I don't really wear anymore, stuff that's not really my style. But right now I'm just editing this vlog so I can get it put up. I wanted to already have it done by now, but like I said, just a lot's been going on. Denver, you want to come say hi? You want to come say hi? Huh? Are you over there playing? I did want to do a quick little vlog to show you what I purchased from iHerb. Yeah, I could do that really quick. So, I ordered from iHerb about a week ago. This stuff has kind of just been sitting here because I just needed to get my life together, but I'm probably going to use this box for something, so I'll just show you right now. So I went on, I did need some new stuff for my hair, and I also wanted to try some new stuff out. So I wanted to try this company called, I think it's called, wait, where is it? Yeah, Alafia. I picked this up. This is called Beautiful Curls. It's activating cream. It's for babies and sensitive curls. I actually put this in Denver's hair today, and it actually looks pretty good. I think it just needs a little bit of oil to his hair, and he's in good position, you know? So this one's also called Beautiful Curls Activating Leave-In Conditioner. This is for curly to kinky hair. I also picked up the activating cream for curly to kinky. What's the difference? Well, this is for baby and sensitive curls. So I guess I'll just use this for Denver, and this is for me. I also picked up 2 Petroleum Berity Infused Shea Butter Toning and Uplifting. You guys know I really love this, and I really love this scent. This is from Nubian Heritage. So good. And I did check these on my Think Dirty app. I want to say these ranked underneath a 5. So that's pretty good. I also picked up the Kinky Curly Original Curling Custard. This is for natural, it says natural styling gel. This is 8 ounces, cruelty free. I think this also rated pretty low on the Think Dirty app. I picked this up as well. It's called Zyla. It's an all-natural sweetener. I've been using my own homemade toothpaste for a while, so I wanted to get more of this. This is xylitol. I believe people on the keto diet use this as well, but I'm not keto, so. So I'm going to make toothpaste. I want to show you guys. Am I in focus? I want to make toothpaste. I've been using a homemade toothpaste. When I went to Mom's Wow Seminar, we sat in this lady's class that she was making a homemade headache relief and a homemade toothpaste, and I really like the toothpaste, so I'm going to show you guys that. So in the toothpaste, I also picked up the Now Foods Magnesium Citrate. It's a pure powder form. I picked up coconut oil. This is extra virgin, full and rich coconut flavor, cold pressed. It's organic, it's unrefined. So this is what I like to use. Good for hair, skin, nails, and also toothpaste. And then I also picked up the Petroleum Berity Body Lotion. You guys, Nubian Heritage is one of my favorites. Nubian Heritage is under the umbrella of Sundial brand, so Shea Moisture, Nubian Heritage all goes in one. And then this is the last thing that I picked up, I think, unless Denver took some stuff out of this box. The last thing that I picked up was called Zoom Clean. It's an aromatherapy laundry soap. They call themselves a soap, not a detergent, which I think is pretty cool. The scent is frankincense and myrrh. It's highly concentrated. This will give us 32 loads. I picked this up, and I'm not sure if I want to use it on the family's laundry, because I do want to say this was like $15 if I'm not mistaken, or I'll just use it on Denver's, or I'll just use it on like our towels and stuff, so our towels smell really good. Where are you going? Where are you going? Sir? Sir? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, come on. They put it in this, they tape this thing up well. So, I love iHerb. I do have a coupon code for you guys if you want it. It's 5% off, or I'm sorry, $5 off of your first purchase. And I think if you use it, I get $5 as well. But that's pretty cool because then that means I can buy some more stuff and do reviews on it for you guys. But either way, I still purchase from iHerb. I'm not an affiliate. I don't think I'm an affiliate. If I'm not, I should see if I could sign up for it. But there's the dog. Oh, this smells nice. So this is what it looks like. Ooh. It smells, it kind of has like a powder scent to it. So that's all that I wanted to show you guys for this part of the video. We're going to hop back into it. And yeah, I'm just cleaning. Shayna's here to help me a little bit. Probably play with Denver. Yeah, I got boxes, so we'll be back. Hey guys, late check-in. What a day it has been. It is, oh my gosh, it's 11:42. So it's almost the next VlogMas day, so I have to close this vlog out. I had a pretty busy day. And Denver was not feeling too well. I'm not sure if maybe he has like the sniffles or it's just his teeth growing in. Maybe it's that because he pooped like 4 times today. I'm like, really, dude? But that's okay. So I ran to Winco a little earlier and I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up. So maybe I should move this. Can you see me? And this shirt is from Walmart. This is a little boy shirt. I really liked it. It was $6. So, and I passed it a couple times and I decided that I needed it. So I like it a lot. But let me see. Where can I put you? Is this good? This lighting is really bad. Okay, so currently you're in my cabinet. Dishes are in the back drying. Whatever. Just want to show you what I picked up. Oh no, something's leaking. Or did I just get one with something else? I don't know. So I got tofu. I got 3 of these. I really wanted 2 of these, but this is silken tofu. You could put this in miso soup, but I was thinking about making a lasagna. I normally get the extra firm, but I'm thinking I probably won't have to use as much water. As much milk as I do if I use this to make the ricotta for lasagna. So I picked up 3 of these and I just got an extra firm tofu. You could maybe put the silken ones in like a smoothie or something too, but I just want to make a lasagna. Or I wanted to make baked ziti for Thanksgiving and we just never got around to it. So I'm thinking I need to do a test run to do a vegan baked ziti and then go from there. But maybe we could do that in the coming days. I just picked up a tofurkey. These are the deli slices, the hickory smoked. David really likes these. I got some cheese. This is the Daya American style slices. We are going to have a grilled cheese tonight. It's so late and Mama's not gonna cook. It is so dark. I also picked up 2 soups. I got the Pacific Organic. I almost said Pacifica because I'm so used to saying Pacifica, but this is Pacific Organic Cashew Carrot Ginger Soup. I think I might have this one tonight. This one is vegan. And then also I picked up from the same brand the Organic Creamy Butternut Squash. I'm not sure. I think I want to try that carrot one. Then I also picked up the Daya Pepperoni Style Gluten-Free Pizza. I've never had this one before, but it looks pretty good. It's dairy-free and it's soy-free. And it's meatless. Daya is Daya is a substitute company, so they do like substitute cheeses and stuff like that. I normally get their cheese like you saw here, and I get, oh, I think that's it. Oh no, and their cream cheese. Oh, I think I actually have some in the fridge. But yeah. So this looks like it's pretty good. Gluten-free crust, huh? Water, tapioca starch, brown rice flour, white whole grain, potato starch. I don't know, we'll try it. Oh, they have a lot of different flavors. This one says meatless pepperoni supreme, spinach and mushroom, cheese lovers, margarita, fire roasted vegetable, mushroom and roasted garlic. Committed to non-GMO ingredients. Okay, so I'm excited to try this. Maybe we'll have that sometime during the week. Maybe as like a snack. Maybe tomorrow we'll have it. Because David's off from work. And then I also picked up garbanzo beans because I love garbanzo beans. Oh, I want to show you guys something else too. I got the Amy's Organic Soups. This is a black bean vegetable. And then I also picked up the Amy's Organic Soup in a split pea. These are both vegan. It says it on the can. And which is really helpful. And these are kosher, if you guys are kosher. Oh my gosh, I couldn't imagine adding another thing to my list. I picked up pretzels. Pretzels are like my favorite thing ever. I picked up an almond milk creamer as well. This one's a vanilla. I normally like to get the sweet and creamy. Who makes the sweet and creamy? It's not from Coffee Meat. Who's the other brand? Oh crap, I can't remember. And then I picked up 2 coconut waters. I told myself this year I'm gonna get into drinking coconut water. It's really good for hydration. It's really good for you. Hydrating, it's good for your skin, good for your internal organs, your insides. So I want to stay committed to that. I look crazy. But I wanted to try, this one was on sale at the store and I was just reading it. It says organic, fat-free, gluten-free, essential, electrolytes, good source of potassium, no preservatives, bottled at source, and it is 100% juice. That's what I always look for. I don't drink junk juices, and what I call junk juices is like Kool-Aids or like Minute Maids or things like that. So I always look for it to say 100% juice, organic coconut, made in Vietnam, which is pretty cool. So I grabbed 2 of those. I'll probably put one in the freezer. And then I also grabbed, the other day I got this from Walmart, but I didn't feel like walking back to get a pita or a pretzel, so I just picked this up. This one is a dark chocolate hummus, and on here it doesn't have anything that would make me think it's not vegan, so I'm gonna try it. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna make the soup tonight, and then I also picked up my sister some eggs for her house, and yeah, that's really about it. But tomorrow when I'm looking a little more presentable, I will be answering some questions, because I got some questions on my last video saying what do we like to eat for Christmas and favorite Christmas movie and all that stuff. So I'm going to answer that tomorrow when I look a little more presentable. And then so I have something to talk about too. But hopefully all is well with you guys and you guys enjoyed today's VlogMas RellaMas. Super excited to be here. I'm very proud of myself. I'm staying here and on task and on time. So, and also check out my gift guide video. It should be up. If not, I'll leave a link later on to let you guys know. It's a gift guide for that difficult friend. We all have that difficult friend in our lives that you're just like, what do I get them? The person that has everything, what do I get? The person that's so picky about certain things, what do I get? I think it's a pretty good guide for you guys to watch. And if not, you can let a friend know. It's kind of just thinking outside the box for gift giving. So hopefully all is well with you guys, and I shall check you in the next one. Please remember to be blessed, well dressed and not stressed, and I will see you there.